Becky and Michael bought this 1976 built home on a stunning 3.5-acre lot 6 years ago with their 2 children and 2 dogs.
I had admired this house for a long time. It sits on a corner lot. It's very attractive from the street.
And when we came in here, we saw some spaces that were really like the family room, and that's what we fell in love with.
Whenever anyone comes to visit, the first thing they notice is the 70s style of our house when they open the front door. There's a multicolored brown tile floor. There's wood paneling that's been painted. You see nothing but 70s hardware on the doorknobs, the light switches.
Well, you know how all the styles come back. The 70s may come back.
If it could come next year, that would be great. We would be ready. The kitchen is the biggest problem that we have in this house. People come into the kitchen and they're right at the oven and the stove. So if I'm cooking something, there's a chance that somebody could get burned.
I totally agree with that.
This dining room is way too small to have a group of more than 8 people have a meal. And we definitely have family and friends over, sometimes 14 people at a time, and we need more space for people to add chairs and that kind of thing. The dining room is basically just a place where I work.
I want a place where she can be designated to do office work.
It doesn't even have to be a formal office, but I need a dedicated place to do paperwork. We like to play pool as a family. We like to play pool when we have friends over.
It's open to the living space. It's a great gathering space. You can't get any better in this room, and you can't find this anywhere else.
I'm not gonna argue. This is one of my favorite rooms in this house, and we could really make so much more of it, and nobody comes in here when we're having a party because the spaces are so broken up. We have no idea how to fix this house.
What we need is a plan that overhauls the whole space and it makes it look cohesive.
This house is not up to par with the way houses are being designed today.
You're not going to find that new house with the property we have.
I'm going to give it my best shot.
Good luck.
Okay, so I've done an evaluation on your home. Current value is $515,000. Based on the work that does need to be done in the house. What is the must-have list to get you out of this house? And I believe you are going to be giving me that.
We do a lot of entertaining. We need an open concept kitchen and living room. We would like to have a great entertaining space with a bar area.
So it has to have a bar?
I would like to have a bar since I have a bar now.
Could it be a great space and you put the bar in?
Why compromise?
All right.
We need a large dining room for big groups, at least 4 bedrooms, at least 3 bathrooms, a home office. And we also need to stay close to this neighborhood as possible because all our friends are here. Our daughter goes to school here, and we'd like to stay in this area.
What is the budget for the new house?
$750,000.
All right, that's the budget I'm going to use. Over to you.
You moved into this house 6 years ago. It still has enormous charm, no question. But you tell me, what do I have to deliver to you to convince you to love this home again?
Well, we want you to create an open concept main floor because we do a lot of entertaining. We have a lot of large family groups, and we need it to flow better through those spaces. Completely renovate the kitchen. Renovate the master bath and enlarge the closet. Create a home office space for myself. Create a bigger dining area. Renovate the main floor guest bathroom. And update all of the 1970s features in the entire house.
Big question. What's my budget?
$200,000.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
We're giving you a pretty sizable budget to do this, so I hope for Michael's sake it can be done.
I'm going to take that $200,000 and I'm going to transform this home into a unified, fabulous, updated home. And when I'm done, you're going to love it.
That's not what's going to happen because I think it's time to move to the brand new house. When I find it, the only thing you're going to say about this house is list it.
Right. That bar, they all come with bars, right? Yeah.
Nice floor. We're not keeping it in here, right?
I know. Well, look at this. The whole place looks like it hasn't really been touched since it was built.
Yeah, this is very mid-70s. Oh, you got a full bath downstairs? That's great.
I think we have to get rid of this guest room.
That's a great guest room. We got a bathroom right there.
I know, but I've got another place for that. This is a sitting room they've never used. This would give them the space they need for the guest room, so they can have this whole space enclosed, closet over there, the bathroom's right there. We'll create a new shower in this space and add a pocket door between that and the powder room, so it's accessible from the hall, so it does double duty. But that leaves me with this space. Now, this was their dining room, but this would make it a really good office for Becky, which she needs and she wants.
I like it.
Good. Kitchen.
What's your plan in here?
So forget everything that you see here, all gone. That will be gone. She wants us to be fully open concept.
I hope you didn't tell her we can take out every wall in this house.
Well, we do have $200,000.
$200,000 is not bad, but we have 2 perpendicular walls intersecting each other. These are probably both load-bearing.
I'm perfectly well aware of the fact that the entire house could fall down, but still they have to come down. I think that's essential for the open concept and for the plan of the kitchen is to take down this wall right here and this wall right here. If I do that, I can give you this fantastic kitchen. I can move your dining area into there. I mean, I've got it all planned. But these two walls in particular, they're both structural. In order to take them down, we have to do a huge amount of work. It's piers being built, it's labor intensive, there's 2,000 pounds of expensive steel beams coming in. It is a big deal. And the price is $25,000.
I'm just surprised that it's gonna take more than what we've already given.
The problem is when I start adding up everything else, I can't absorb $25,000 into my $200,000 budget. I have to add $25,000 to the $200,000 budget or find a way to pull back to come up with $25,000 within the budget.
Well, I need everything on that list.
We're in this together. I'm not deliberately trying to sledgehammer you with bad news. It just is bad news.
Well, can we get like a list and figure out what we can do without? Because that's a must-have.
I can give you an itemized list that is based on assumptions still.
Okay.
Can I at least start demolition on this kitchen and demolish these walls and do the structure? At the very least, if that's all you end up wanting to do, you will have a much better house.
And it will sell much faster.
While Hilary works on a list of potential budget cuts, her team begins demolition by taking out the load-bearing walls and gutting the kitchen. Meanwhile, David tries to get Michael on his side by showing them homes with bigger, better layouts.
All right, what do you think?
This is great.
It's a nice looking house.
It's a beautiful house. It's brand new. What do you think?
I really like it.
It's still location. It's a little farther out there than I want.
All right. Your master closet. So this is an upgrade over what you currently have.
Yeah.
Not a major upgrade, but it's an upgrade.
An upgrade. Let's leave it at that. Come on. What do you think?
It's okay. It's a little bright.
It is a little on the bright side, but it is a gorgeous house inside. Check this garage out.
Oh, we could turn that into a party room.
So you're just gonna put us outside in the garage?
I would if it was me.
Do that. Yeah. Really nice
Right.
house, but that price tag is
I
really
think it's out of our range.
out of our price range.
All right.
The last time we met, I told you where I was with budget. You were going to go away and get back to me because otherwise this is it. So what have you decided? Are we going to try and do something up in your bedroom?
I really like this house, and putting the budget up $25,000 to get the bathroom of our dreams is the only way to go.
David's taken us on some pretty spectacular tours, and we gave him another $50,000.
50.
He's gonna need it to take us away from this house because this is gonna be beautiful when you're done with it.
Now, we are what, like about 6 minutes from your house?
This is great location. It's right in our school zone.
We're not on a major highway.
Which is good.
Yeah.
It's great.
Let's go have a look.
All right.
This is nice, David.
Very fancy.
Now, in terms of a formal dining room, how does this suit you guys for entertaining purposes?
I think it's gonna be a lot like what we're gonna get at our house, to be honest with you.
Think so?
Yeah.
You do know what you're not gonna get? A dedicated office.
Oh, nice.
So I say this would be pretty dynamite.
I love this.
Hopefully Hilary put it in a place where it's not as obvious to see.
Well, let's
She'll hide it.
focus on seeing what else David's found here. Oh, nice.
You've got the gas fireplace, you've got the eat-in kitchen.
Look at the island. And the seating would be along here so you could still be connected to the
Yeah.
people in the living area.
The cabinetry looks sparse to me.
Bonus room number 1.
Oh,
Number
wow.
one.
Number one.
Yes.
Wow.
And I think this would probably be the best one for the pool table because it's
Definitely.
the bigger of the 2 bonus
Yeah,
rooms.
this is nice.
This house is listed at $800,000.
With this house and proximity to our neighborhood, we could see maybe spending $800,000.
You ready?
Wow.
I love how open it is.
What a transformation.
We've made your staircase look better, and now it
Very
has
nice.
presence, because it is the first thing you see when you walk in the house.
Yeah.
This now looks the way you want an entry to your home to look.
This is incredible.
So let's keep going. The biggest thing is there is no longer a wall. Guest room was here. So it starts with having your formal dining room here.
It really
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
This table has leaves on it. This table can seat 14 people.
Wow.
Oh, that's
Perfect.
awesome.
That's
yeah.
perfect.
Then you have seating right here around this enormous island.
Look at the
That is a statement piece right there.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's amazing.
It is
What?
just like a new house. This doesn't look anything like what we left.
So there's loads more storage. And then, because you have little creatures that you love,
Oh my goodness.
That's a great idea.
I love that. And
Brown
so
Palace
big.
is gone.
Yes. No more
This-
brown.
What a
This
great-
is great, Hilary. Wow, this is a guest bedroom.
is it?
It just kind of takes my breath away. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice.
Oh,
This is perfect because it's right off the main area. I can definitely work in here.
Decision made?
Decision made.
and are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
Oh,
The brand new house.
Not to take away from any of the work you did, because that last house was everything that we needed. But seeing this house today, Hilary, it just blew us away.